Hey, it's Dayton Kane. We are back at Open Road Harley-Davidson, and we are going to talk motorcycle customization today. So just off Interstate 41 in Fond du Lac, we have Corey here with us today. He's going to tell us what we can do to these bikes to make them our own. So what do we have here? We have a Sportster.
Yep, and we have a Softail Slim here.
And
so
no matter what bike we buy, we can customize it?
Everything, any Harley-Davidson you buy, there are hundreds upon thousands of different customization options. So before I even start making any recommendations on style, because our first thing is I need to figure out what your style is. Everybody likes different things. Before we started this video, I asked Dayton, I asked him if he liked chrome or black, and I showed him a couple derby covers. I showed him the chrome option or the black option. He said that he would rather go with the black option. Then I asked him if he liked skulls, and he said he didn't really like skulls, so then I came back with a different option. So this is just kind of a way of showing, what we do before we do any customization. We have a conversation and figure out what you like, and then based on that conversation is what we find our recommendations on. Usually most people, when they buy a bike, before they actually make the purchase, we'll talk to them about what they're going to want to do to their bike, just because they want to make it their own. They want to make it something that's they know it's theirs.
Okay, so what else do we have that we can customize here?
So a customer of ours actually has a Softail Slim, and he wanted to do stretched fenders on it. And this is something that is strictly style. This is something that people want just because it looks cool and it makes their bike look like their own. There's a lot of custom parts that we can get, and then we'll have it painted to match the bike.
We got the Sportster out front now.
Starting off with like the handlebars, this one has a 10-inch mini 8 from the factory, but some people, based on style, they want something a little bit different. Something that they can do are some polyaphy twin peak handlebars. One other thing that's been really popular lately, this is XK Glow. It's an underglow system, so it's actually colored LEDs that go underneath the bike on the engine and everything, but it does light up the bike and give you that personalized customization to it.
So many options out here at Open Road Harley-Davidson. If you look at a motorcycle and you're like, I don't quite like this or that about it, no problem. Corey and the crew here are gonna hook you up and set you up with some different features.
I'm gonna give you a demo on those XK Glow on the inside of the building right now. I just want to run through real quick what this XK Glow kit did. This thing it's the controller right here. This is what actually is the brain box of the lights. There's a little dimple on here that you can push to change the colors manually. It is app controlled, so you can actually pair your phone to the controller and change the colors. You can also sync it up with your music. One big thing, like I said outside, is the brake feature. So when you hit the brakes, everything turns red.
Thanks, Corey. This week we were talking about all the different features you can add to your bikes. Next time we're going to be talking with Aaron, and we're going to find out how you customize your bike for comfort and functionality. Open Road Harley-Davidson, open. They're willing to do a demo with you anytime you want. Come in. Lots of inventory in stock. It's Dayton Kane for Nash FM 99.5 and Open Road Harley-Davidson.